Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to download and install Xampp server on Windows operating system. So first open Google Chrome browser. In this type Xampp download XAMPP download. Now see X stands for cross platform, M is Apache, M is MariaDB, then PHP and Perl. This Apache containing all these contents. Now see, I am using the 64-bit operating system and it is for Windows operating system. So I will select it. Now see, you can download it for Linux also, for Mac OS also. It has given the different download options, but my operating system is Windows 64-bit. So just will select 64-bit or Windows. Now say it is showing message, your download will start automatically. If doesn't, click here. So my download will start here. Now see, file downloading is started. Now see here, download is completed. So open this folder. It is showing Xampp is downloaded. So just right click on this file and click run as administrator. Now it is showing message whether you want to make changes to your device. That app will make some changes to your device. Just click on yes button. Just click on OK. This is warning. Just click on next. Now setup is started. Just click on next button. Now it is showing the components which contain the Xampp server. So keep it as it is and just click on next button. Now see, it is showing the part where this Xampp will get installed. So on C drive, Xampp folder, just click on next button. It is showing option for the language. So keep language English as it is. Just click on next button. Now see, it is showing message. It is ready to install. So just click on next button. Installation has been completed. Now see, it is showing the different modules or services available: Apache, MySql, Tomcat. Now see, it is not right now. It is not showing the port IDs and port numbers. So once you click the service and if you start it, it will show the port IDs and numbers. I want Apache, so just click on start. Now see, Apache has been started and it is showing the port IDs and port number for Apache. In this way, you can start your required service. You can start MySql, Tomcat, and so on. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have queries related to this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.